Hi, friends. I thought I'd share with you today a mantra meditation practice. A mantra meditation practice is the repetition of a sacred word or sound or phrase that helps to focus and concentrate the mind and eventually then lead into the state of absorption that occurs and stillness that occurs through that focused attention. And it's often practiced using a mala. This is a mala necklace that I have from Bali malas that I love and I wear a lot, and I'll use to count the repetitions one time around is 108. But you could also do that with your hand, which is kind of handy, no pun intended, when you don't have a mala necklace with you. And so I'll do this a lot. I'll count on my fingers. If you start with your thumb on your pointer finger and you go through to the pinky finger and then down to the middle joint and then across and then down to the lower joint and across, that's 12 counts. If we do that 9 times, that equals 108. So then you jump back to the pinky or the pointer finger and then you go through. When you get down to the little finger, you go back up. Just like this. We'll count. And we'll say the phrase Ram in this practice. Ram is one of my personal favorite phrases. It means the universal self or God consciousness. And so you're invoking that quality of God, goddess, divine energy, all that is, the absolute, when we use that phrase. And we'll just do it 3 times around, 108 times together today, okay? So I'll count and say it out loud. I'll let you know when we've finished a round, but use your hand to move through and see what that feels like, counting and chanting like that, okay? So I'm just going to put my hands down here in my lap. I'm sitting tall and straight. Eyes are closed. Couple conscious breaths in and out. And beginning. Ram, 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 Ram. It's the beginning or the end of the first round of 108. Just sit a moment with your eyes closed. still notice how you feel. God, Goddess, all that is, the universal self, the higher self. Invoking this vibration through your fields. Let's begin our second round. Thumb to tip of the index finger. Ram, 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 Ram. I think I went a little over. Let's take a pause between this last sequence. Second round. Settling a little bit deeper inside. And our last round of Rams together. Thumb to pointer finger. Ram, 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 rum, 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 rum. Noticing how you're feeling now, the quality of your energy, evoking a sense of loving awareness. I am loving awareness. I am loving awareness. I I love awareness. I love awareness. I am loving awareness. I'm loving awareness. Staying in the States, my friends, for as long as you'd like, carrying this feeling actually, if you can, out with you into your next activities, whatever they might be, this focus, calm, stillness. Whenever you're needing a little bit of a boost or a pick-me-up or realignment, you can use that mantra again. You can just say it. You don't have to count. Or you could use your hands or a mala, whatever you prefer. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll give you more later soon.